Assalamualaikum viewer. Today our topic is exemption from total income. Before the starting video, I request you subscribe my channel, like and share. Income are classes of the income or person or classes of the persons enumerated below shall be exempt from tax subject to the condition and the extent specified hereunder. Any income chargeable under the head salary received by a person who, not being a citizen of Pakistan, is engaged as a expert and the technical professional, significant 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 advisor or the consultant and senior management staff by the instruction of the Aga Khan Development Network Pakistan, listed in Schedule I of the Accord and Protocol dated November 13, 1994, executed between the government of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and Aga Khan Development Network. Any allowance or perquisited, paid or allowed as such outside Pakistan may the government to a citizen of Pakistan for the return service outside Pakistan, provided that were the person receive more than one such pension, the exemption applies only to the higher of the pensions received. Any income uh, derived by the families and the depends of the shaheeds belonging to Pakistan armed force from the special family person uh, dependents pension or children's allowance granted under the provisions of the Joint Service Instruction number 5/66. Any sum representing encashment of leave preparatory preparatory of to retirement of a member of the Armed Force of Pakistan and the employed of the federal government or a provincial government. Provincial government. Any payment from the Provident Fund to the Provident Fund Act 1925 of 1925 applies. The accumulated balance due the becoming payable to an employee participating in the recognized provident provident fund. Any benevolent grant paid from the benevolent fund to the employees or members benevolent fund or group insurance act 1969. Any income of a person representing the sums received by him as a worker from out of the worker participation fund established under the Companies Profit Workers Participation Act 1968 Any income representation or compensatory allowance payable to citizen of Pakistan, locally requirement, retired, recruit, recruited in Pakistan mission aboard as does not exceed 75% of his gross salary. That's it for today.